Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best TIG welding machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Panasonic MIG Welder 200A Synergic Wire Feed Welder. While it's technically a multi-process welder rather than a dedicated TIG machine, it does include lift TIG functionality, making it a versatile option for those who need flexibility. With its 4-in-1 capability, gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG, this machine is perfect for users who require multiple welding processes in one compact unit. It's equipped with IGBT inverter technology and synergic control, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for optimal performance. The design features a large LED display for intuitive control and monitoring, ensuring ease of use for beginners and professionals alike. The machine is lightweight at under 20 pounds, making it portable and easy to transport. While the lift TIG functionality isn't as advanced as other dedicated TIG machines, it's still capable of delivering smooth welds on materials like stainless steel and mild steel. In terms of value, this welder is ideal for hobbyists who occasionally need TIG functionality, but also require other welding options. However, the lack of a dedicated TIG torch and limited advanced TIG features may be a drawback for professionals focused solely on TIG welding. Overall, it's an affordable and versatile option for entry-level users. At number 4, we have the Thulium TIG Welder with Pulse. This machine stands out for its multifunctionality, offering DC TIG, spot TIG, pulse TIG, and stick welding capabilities. With a reserved 5-pin foot pedal interface, it allows for remote control of current, which adds precision and convenience to your workflow. The pulse TIG functionality is particularly useful for welding thinner materials, as it minimizes heat distortion and delivers cleaner welds. The Thulium TIG Welder features a large digital display that provides clear visibility of parameters like current and voltage, making it accessible even for beginners. The design is sturdy, with a compact build that weighs just over 20 pounds. It's compatible with stainless steel, alloy steel, and other non-ferrous metals, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. However, it's worth noting that this machine is limited to DC TIG welding, so it's not ideal for working with aluminum. For its price, the Thulium TIG Welder offers significant value, especially for users who need pulse welding functionality. Its intelligent protection features, including overvoltage and overcurrent safeguards, enhance its reliability. Pros include its versatility and user-friendly design, while cons include the lack of AC TIG capability for aluminum welding. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option. Coming in at number 3 is the Yes Welder 205 amp stick welder with lift TIG torch. As the budget-friendly option on our list, this machine delivers exceptional value for its price. It's a dual-purpose welder, offering both stick welding and lift TIG functionality. With a powerful 205 amp output, it's capable of handling a variety of materials, including stainless steel, mild steel, and sheet metal. The hot start and arc force features provide a smoother welding experience, especially for stick welding. This machine is compact and highly portable, weighing only 8.4 pounds, making it ideal for on-site projects. The large LED display is a standout feature, allowing users to easily monitor and adjust settings. While it lacks advanced TIG features like AC TIG for aluminum, it's a reliable and straightforward option for basic TIG applications. Additionally, its automatic voltage compensation and built-in safeguards ensure safe and consistent performance. The Yes Welder 205 amp stick welder is perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who need a versatile and affordable machine. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of use, and strong performance for the price. Cons include limited advanced TIG capabilities and the absence of a foot pedal interface. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those on a budget. At number 2, we have the Prime Weld TIG 225X 225 amp IGBT AC/DC TIG stick welder. This professional-grade machine is designed for advanced TIG welding tasks, including aluminum, stainless steel, and thinner materials. It features both HF start hand torch control and a precise foot pedal for heat control, giving users maximum flexibility and accuracy. The pulse function allows for cleaner welds and reduces heat distortion, especially on delicate materials. The Prime Weld TIG 225X comes with a CK Worldwide 17 Series Superflex TIG torch and hose, which are known for their durability and ease of use. The machine utilizes advanced inverter technology with PWM pulse width modulation for enhanced efficiency and reliability. While it's heavier than other models at 90 pounds, its robust build quality ensures long-term durability. This welder is ideal for professionals who need high performance and versatility. Pros include its ability to handle both AC and DC TIG welding, pulse functionality, and high-quality components. The main drawback is its weight, which makes it less portable, and the price, which may be out of reach for casual users. Still, it's a fantastic investment for serious welders seeking precision and reliability. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Sunstack 250A AC/DC aluminum TIG welder with pulse. This machine is the most feature-packed option on the list, designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers multiple welding modes, including AC TIG, DC TIG, pulse TIG, spot TIG, and stick welding, making it incredibly versatile. With a maximum output of 250 amps and dual voltage compatibility, it can handle a wide range of tasks, from precision welding of thinner materials to heavy-duty aluminum projects. The Sunstack TIG welder features an advanced LCD digital screen that surpasses older LED designs, providing crystal-clear visibility of settings, even with a welding helmet on. Its smart welding modes, such as pulse and spot TIG, are tailored for precise control and minimal material distortion. The machine also includes intelligent parameter-saving functionality, allowing users to effortlessly resume their previous settings. While it's the most expensive option on the list, the Sunstack 250A AC/DC TIG welder offers unmatched performance and user-friendly features. Pros include its ability to weld aluminum, advanced pulse functionality, and intuitive controls. The main con is its price, which may be steep for casual users. However, for those who want professional-grade performance, this welder is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.